Welcome back to my crochet channel. Today I'll be showing you how to filet crochet. Filet crochet is a technique that creates a delicate lacy fabric with open spaces and solid blocks. It's often used to make intricate designs, patterns, and images by using a combination of open mesh and filled squares. Filet crochet has been used to make tablecloths, curtains, shawls, market bags, and blankets. I've used this technique to make garments like this filet crochet top and my mushroom shrug. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a simple filet crochet sample, but first, let's talk about the materials you'll need. For this tutorial, I'll be using worsted weight cotton yarn and a size 4mm crochet hook. However, you can use any yarn and hook size you prefer depending on the project you have in mind. Thinner yarn and a smaller hook will result in a more delicate fabric, while thicker yarn and a larger hook will make a more substantial piece. Now let's get started on this easy filet crochet sample. I'm going to be making a 4" by 4" square. Begin by making a slip knot and chaining the desired number of stitches for the width of your sample. In this case, I'm starting with 19 chains. The number of chains should be a multiple of 2 plus 3 additional chains for turning. So I have 16 chains plus 3 for turning. Once you have your foundation chain, double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook to create the first solid block. Chain 1, skip the next chain, and double crochet into the following chain to create the first open mesh space. Continue this pattern across the row, alternating between solid blocks and open mesh spaces, making one chain, skipping a chain, and making a double crochet in the next chain. When you reach the end of the row, work 1 double crochet in the last chain so you'll have 2 double crochet stitches at the end of the row. To start the next row, chain 3 and turn your work. Make a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, skip the chain space and double crochet into the next double crochet. Continue repeating this pattern to the end of the row. At the end of the row, work a double crochet into the top of the turning chain. And from there, just repeat the pattern of double crochets and chain spaces across each row until your sample reaches the desired height. And there you have it, a simple yet beautiful filet crochet sample. Now you can experiment with different designs and motifs to create your own projects using filet crochet. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to my channel for more crochet tutorials and creative inspiration. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.